Hello, I'm Bob, and this is Bob's Workshop. In this episode, I'm working on my harbor scene. The boardwalk has been coming along pretty nicely, and today I'm adding a few safety features, and I guess they could also be a place for visiting boats to tie up as they visit some of the local attractions. Perhaps? I don't know. Anyway, it's going to be some little wooden posts with a sagging rope in between each post, like you would see at a boat dock or a pier. So, here's what I've been working on this week. Sorry for the delay, but I just remembered something very important. This week, my channel reached a milestone. Because of you guys, I now have 2,500 subscribers, which is huge. So thank you very much. And now, here's really the video. No more interruptions, no more delays. Pretty sure the video is going to start right about now. A lot of the construction for my boardwalk area has been finished. Cutting little strips of pine and gluing them down took a fair amount of time. It's almost ready for paint, but before that, I'd like to add a few more wooden details. From a 4-foot section of 3/16 inch dowel rod, I began cutting it down into smaller pieces. These will be the support posts coming up through the boardwalk to raise the pier above the water. Instead of a rope running through each post, I'll drill a small hole and use picture hanging wire instead. It already has a braided texture like real rope, but it's also easily bent, which will help me wrap it around each dowel and aid in creating the sagging look of real rope between each post. I did a section first as practice, and I'm happy enough with the result to show you how it went.
After the wire was wrapped and trimmed at each end, I'll use gel super glue to hold it in place with the wooden dowel rod. I ended up with dried super glue on my fingertips, but I needed to push the glue into the wrapped wire against the wooden rod. It goes on thickly, but eventually it will flatten out. If you're watching this on a larger screen, like a big TV, then zoomed in like this, you'll see some flaws. But in real life, at this smaller scale, I think this will look pretty good on my layout. I like the look of this so far, but I was a little worried that it's becoming too monotonous. I took a length of wire and coiled it around a paintbrush handle in order to portray a broken section down at one end of the pier.
I'll be painting this in a future video and also adding some working street lamps. So until next time, I'm Bob, and this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.